Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Some of you guys have a question. This question. What is a dividend? Alright, so let's get into it. What a dividend is. So let's get into it real quick. A quick disclaimer for you guys. I am not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment and inspiration purposes only. Investing of any kind involves risk. I won't share my opinion with no guarantee of gains or loss on investments. Please consult an appropriate advisor and do your own research before making any decisions on anything. I'm not responsible or liable for any actions you take. So people, do your research and do your due diligence and do you more research, yo. Let's go. So, a dividend is a distribution of profits by a corporation to its shareholders, which is you. When a corporation earns a profit or surplus, it is able to pay a proportion of the profit as a dividend to shareholders, which is you. Any amount not distributed is taken to be reinvested in the business. So when a company is doing amazingly well, like for example, Microsoft, Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson, Altria, Abbey, AT&T, these are just some examples. These companies pay a dividend back to its shareholders, which is you, because you hold the stock, all right? So they pay you a small portion, whether it be 10 cents, 15 cents, 40 cents, 50 cents, $1, but they pay these out quarterly or monthly or semi-annually or annually. So it depends on the company, it depends on the industry, and it depends on what their pay frequency is. All right? And they also reinvest in their own company to gain more profit, to build more research, more R&D, more development of new products, and whatever you may have be. So, for example, Coca-Cola, ticker KO, they pay quarterly of 41 cents. I missed the one there. So, they pay quarterly is every 3 months. So, here you guys go. So, quarterly dividend payout is every 3 months, which is 4 times a year for holding the company stock. So, if you have one share of Coca-Cola, it will pay you out 41 cents per share, which is one share. All right? Every 3 months, which is very nice. So just by holding it, and you can sell it later, you can sell it whenever you want, doesn't really matter. But as long as you hold the stock, because some companies are amazing, some companies are just not so great, some companies are in the middle, as we say in China, mama hu, but it's what it is. So, but note, keep this in mind, some companies also pay a monthly dividend, a quarterly like Coca-Cola, semi-annual dividend, and an annual dividend. All right. So a few companies, like, you just got to do your research in the company. All right. If you guys want a monthly company that pays monthly dividend, find those companies. They do exist. If you want a quarterly, there's those. If you want semi-annually, they exist. If you want annually, go research. And also too, not all companies pay dividends. So do your research into a company you want to invest. All right. So if you look for a company, there's companies that are blue chip, that are only growth stocks, that are non-growth, that are going IPO. Do your research into the company and see what they offer. See if they're like good or not good, and if you really want to invest your money in. All right, I'm like dying over here. Ugh. So we're gonna look at Coca-Cola for today. So ticker symbol is KO. So they pay a dividend, which is DIV. I just made it smaller, which is paid in April, June, September, and November. So here you guys go. Like, this is a quarterly, right? So this is 1 year. So 41 cents, 41 cents, 41 cents, 41 cents. All right? 4 times in 1 year. Every 3 months. So, for example now, this is a little, what is it? A table for you guys to keep by. So, share is S. All right? Dividend is div. It's 41 cents. Quarterly is 4Q, and then year is Y, or Y. Here we go. So if you have one share of Coca-Cola, so one share times 41 cents dividend is 41 cents. That's just one share, right? And if you have that single one share, which is 41 cents times 4, which is the quarterly, right? That's 4 times the whole year. It's $1.64. So for the year, you have $1.64 in your account, either in your Robinhood, your Webull, your Fidelity, your Charles Schwab, your M1 Finance, or whatever brokerage you use. All right. Now let's look at another example. this is where it gets interesting, because the more shares you have of a company, the more you're going to get. But the thing is, if you want more shares, you got to invest more. You got to put in some cash, some capital. Otherwise, it's like, for you, maybe just doing like, damn, I have one single share. Oh, this is too difficult. Don't get discouraged. You know, you can have one share. I started with one share. I was like, maybe, I don't know if they actually pay dividends. Let me just try it. I just went in for it. I took a risk, but that's me. Everyone is different. So if you have just one share, if you're just testing it out, you know, you will get paid out. Some companies have suspended their dividends, some have not suspended their dividends, some have frozen their dividends. But like I said, do your research into companies. So this is where it gets like interesting. So if you have 100 single shares of Coca-Cola, if you have 100 shares basically, at 41 cents, that's $41 every 3 months, right? So that's 41 bucks. So 41 bucks times 4, which is quarterly. We're doing it for the whole year, right? It's $164. So for the year, you're making $164. You can reinvest that into Coca-Cola or buy other stocks, which is quite nice. Or use that for your own personal binging purposes, whatever the hell you may be. But this is how, like, when you start accumulating more stocks and start understanding how investing, reinvesting, drip works with your portfolio or whatever it may be, this is what you'll be getting, like, not getting, but it's like what you put in is what you'll get out of it. If you don't put anything in, then you're not gonna get anything out of it. But I'm saying, if the more shares you have, like, you'll start seeing like, wow, from 41 cents, $5, $15. Unless you're like balling out, then, you know, good for you. Cause I'm not balling out. I'm in China. I have renminbi. I have them redbacks, so that's different from the greenbacks in the U.S. All right. So this is what gets interesting. So the more shares you have a company, the more you're gonna get down the road, and you can reinvest that or use it for your own purposes. So, and for you guys, if you guys do want a free share, or if you guys want to start investing, whatever it may be, you can sign up with a link below. You get a free stock when you sign up with Webull, and if you deposit $100, you get the free stock. That's 2 free stocks, extra one in your pocket. And if you sign up with Robinhood, you get a free stock. And if you sign up with both platforms, that's 3 free stocks, which is quite nice, free money. And if you don't use it, if you have it, good for you. If you don't have it, just sign up. And also, guys, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe. Hit that thumbs up. I really appreciate it. I'll put out some more content now. And I'll see you guys later. Happy traveling, happy investing, and happy settling. And do your darn research. I'll catch you guys next time. See ya, guys.